So in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook. First thing, open the settings, open the apps manager, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it like this. Now go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back to the apps manager again, search for Facebook, click on it, click on force stop here and then go to the power usage details, click down here again on this force stop. Now go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone you can do the same thing. By the way, go to the search bar, search for Instagram and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, thank you for watching.